Looking to buy a used vehicle, but don't want to pay dealership prices? Well, you found the right place. Salvage Reseller offers you the opportunity to buy any vehicle salvage, clean, repairable, repossessed, and anything in between for a fraction of its market cost, for parts for a project, or to repair. Get unlimited access to dealer-only online auto auctions, and to thousands of repairable and affordable vehicles from insurance companies, financial institutions, and used auto dealerships. No dealer license required, no documents fees, no bidding or purchase limitations. More than 120,000 vehicles for sale, inventory updated daily. We are Copart's most recommended and longest-running registered broker. We are a BBB accredited business with an A+ rating for over 10 years. Visit Salvage Reseller now and get a free basic membership now. Join live online auto auctions from the comfort of your house or office and buy your next vehicle at wholesale price.